Good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. I'm Sabrina, a beginning day trader. My method is price action and I trade exclusively E-mini future contract. I'm currently in my evaluation account of Apex Trader Funding. My account size is 150K. In order to get funded from Apex, I have to trade at least 10 days and make a profit target of $9,000. So, if this is your first time come to my channel, welcome and please subscribe. I invite you to join my journey as a trader. Okay, so Monday I did not trade. Today is Tuesday, so when I wake up, I usually just look at the hourly chart first. So as we can see, the market has been in a trading range since February 24th. Um, some bulls buying here in this area. So I draw this supply zone here, and as we can see, from last night there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 consecutive bull bars. So very likely the first bear bar will be bought, and this is what it did. Okay, so when I first came in, the market was in a bull trend, and this area 4240 is a resistance level here. But it seems like the market has broke out of this level. But would it pull back to test this level? We'll see. And this is the second chart I used. This is a 5-minute US trading session chart. Okay. As we can see, the market has been trading a bullish channel since yesterday, and it opened with a gap. It tried to reverse and fill the gap, but it didn't fill the gap. So this is the first gap here, and here when the market break out of 4210, this area, it create another gap. This is a very important price level that the bears try to come back for the whole trading session, and they barely make it. I think there's still one tiny gap here. It's just touched the top of this bar. The first bar it's 42.7.5, 42.8, 42.8, and this one is 42.08. Okay, so it just touched the top. It barely filled the gap. So it seems like the market is trying to do a major move here. So from the bottom here, we're almost at the major move here. The major move would be 42.64. Okay, I don't like the way I trade today. When I came in today, I see the market is always in long. So I bought one here, got stop out here, bought one here, got stop out here, and I saw this big drop here, so I tried to sell one here, got stop out here, sell another one, and I pulled as the market moved in my direction, I put the stop loss plus one tick and got stop out here, and I missed all this move. So basically, the whole day I've been taking 1 or 2 tick profit all day long. And this is because I don't want to swing my position. I think I'm fearful of losing today because of last Thursday, I made a big loss last Thursday. So I wasn't prepared today. Mentally, I'm not prepared. And I'm basically just making all this 1 or 2 tick profit here. And although I got some good entry, this entry is a good entry. I just got stop out. Good entry, out. Good entry, out. Okay, so this is a good entry, out. This is a good entry, out. Um, I do have my sim account. So after I'm making all this one tick, two tick profit, I just switch to single account. It feels like I'm feeling myself getting into the same stage as I did in Thursday. That is like formal but also fear. So I switch to my single account, bought two here. So this is a trend following trade. Bought two here, add one here, get out here, get another one out here, and miss all these, but still making some money. So it seems like I can still follow the trend. It's just I have to overcome my, I don't know, my fear. Um, and also, I think to recognize the big structure of the market is really important. So as I came in today, the market has been trending up since 5 in the morning. So it um, haven't break any EMA. So I mean, for market to switch from an uptrend to a downtrend, it has to go through the trading range stage. So at least I should buy. And then if the market move against me, I should add on because if I believe the market is going up or in a trading range, then I can still make a profit, right? And for today, I think the high probability trade, I think, let me see. So the first high probability trade here is actually this bearish trend. So why I say this one is very high probability? Because look at this bearish bar, it's so big. One, two. So this move signal that there is big, a lot of people selling from this price. So when the market come back to this area, I I just short. I think this is a good area to short. This is a very high probability trade. And another high probability trade is when the market comes back to 4208. This is a gap the market trying to fill all day long. I think this is another high probability trade. Um, the other trades, what other things I observed today? I observed that the market, when it moved down, it's actually um, in a shallow bearish channel. So bearish channel, that means there are people buying here. So this is a really big buying pressure. Look at how many bull bars there are. One, two, three, four, five. Five consecutive good size bull bar. So by the low of this here, there's one, two, three. So actually by three times, bulls by three times, and the market just reverse up. It break out of this trading range and went up. Um, I was very familiar with this kind of pattern before, but I did not see this pattern for many days. It's because we are in a bearish market and not much strong bullish momentum in this market recently. But it seems like we are getting some more bullish momentum here. And it's very nice bullish momentum here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 bullish bars. And I think the next, if it break this level of 42.40, the next level would be this one. Or if I draw, the next level would be this 43.48 or 43.60 on this level. Okay, so we'll see. I think the market is pretty bullish right now, but we'll have to wait until tomorrow's FOMC meeting. All right. Thank you for listening to me, and I'll see you tomorrow.